Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss truncate, delete and drop command in Snowflake SQL. So first we are going to see the difference between truncate and delete command. So delete command, using delete command I can delete all rows from the table. I can delete specific row from the table, but in order to delete any specific row, I have to mention the where clause. So let's say select star from employee. Total number of rows in my table there are 8 rows in my table, sample underscore employee. So let's say I want to delete this specific row where employee ID equals to 124. Select star from sample underscore employee. So I am going to use the delete command to delete any specific row. Delete from sample underscore employee where employee ID underscore ID equals to 124. So this will delete only one row. So one row has been deleted. Let me see the count of this table. Now I'm going to have 7 rows. So I can also delete more than one rows. So now let's say I'm going to delete 125 and 126 rows. So employee underscore ID in 125, 126. So this will delete both rows in my table. So execute this command. So also using delete command, I can delete all rows from the table. Okay, if I execute this command, this will delete all rows from the table, but I'm not doing it. So using truncate command, I can also delete all rows from the table. So, but what is the difference between truncate and delete command? So the difference is, with delete command, I can delete all rows from the table. Also, with delete command, if I have to delete any specific row from the table, I can use the delete command. But with truncate command, I can only delete all rows from the table. Okay, but there is also one difference between truncate and delete command, which I'm going to explain to you. So let's see another difference. So first of all, I'm going to connect to my Snow SQL. So I have already established the connection. So I'm going to create a stage first. So I'm explaining one more difference between truncate and delete command. Create stage. Let's say create stage Ripple. Name of stage is Ripple. Press enter. Okay, a new stage has been created. Now select the warehouse. So I will select this particular warehouse, compute underscore WH. Press enter. A warehouse has been selected. Now I am going to put file in my staging area. So let me show you my file which I am going to put. So this is the file which I am going to put in my staging area. Okay, employee ID, name, salary, department ID. So I will use this command. Here I will change the name of staging area, which is Ripple. Let's change it to Ripple, semicolon at the end. Press enter. So a file has been placed in my staging area, employee.csv. So it is in compressed form, gzip form. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the command copy command. So I will use this particular command, copy into worker. But before, I will create a table. So let's create a table first. Create table employee underscore dump. execute this. Okay, I have to select the database first. Dice is the name of database. Let me execute this. Okay, table has been created. Now use this table in the copy command. Let me just copy this, paste here, employee underscore dump table. Here I will use from Ripple is the name of staging area, Ripple. Okay, file format is CSV, field delimiter, it is comma separated file. Let me just show you. Properties, look, separated values, comma separated values. Okay, it is comma separated CSV value. Then the skip header, so it will skip the header, it will not load the header in my database. Okay, so I'm going to only get these values, not the header value in the table. So I will just copy this command and paste in my command prompt. Copy this, paste here, press enter. Look, file has been loaded successfully. Now let me just select star from employee underscore dump. Select okay, from employee underscore dump. Okay, file has been loaded successfully. Only 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows. Okay, fine. Let me just open this. Only 3 rows. Okay, 1 minute. So now what I am going to do, I am going to use the truncate command, truncate table command, to delete all rows from the table. Okay, truncate command will delete all rows from the table. Truncate table employee underscore dump. But the difference between this truncate and delete command is, if I use the truncate command to delete all rows from the table, I can reload the file again from this staging area. But if I use the delete command to delete all rows from the table, I will not able to reload the file again in my table. Let me just give you a demo here. Truncate table employee underscore dump. Select star from employee underscore dump. Okay, look, all rows have been deleted. Now I am going to reload this file again in my table. So I will use this command again, press enter. Look, select star from employee underscore dump. Look, data has been loaded again. Now I am going to use the truncate delete command. Delete star from employee dump. Delete from employee underscore dump. So I am using the delete command now to delete all rows from this table. Okay, all data has been deleted. Select star from employee. Look, all data has been deleted. So now what I am going to do, I am going to reload this file again. Let's see if I am able to load the file again or not. So I will look, copy executed with 0 files processed. Look, I am not able to reload the data again because I have used the delete command to delete all rows from the table. Okay, so this is one difference between delete and truncate command. So now I'm going to show you the drop command. So drop command will drop the structure of a table. Drop table. So if you want to drop the table, you will use the drop command. So if you want to delete rows, any specific row, you will use the delete command. So drop table employee underscore dump will drop my table. select star from employee underscore dump. So now look, I will get a message does not exist or authorized. So I have to create this table again, okay, and reload the data again in my table. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much and have a great learning.